Alright, team. Late video. I was a bit busy today, but man, oh man. Let's start sharing my screen. Today is day 22. Yep, day 22. Again, we got a lot of support, man. We're getting some good support, man. Let me check the comments. But yeah, man, we're getting some people watching the videos. What is that 8-hour non-stop boot coming through? Fine. I do need an 8-hour non-stop boost with that dev session, man. Sheesh. I'll do it this week, or I am going to deploy to Iran. Alright. Yeah, man. So we got day 22. One good thing that happened today that I'm very, very happy about is let's go check TikTok. We hit 1K followers. We hit 1K followers, man, which is crazy, cause I started this TikTok like a year and a half ago. I was like, damn, you know what? I just want to start doing like content, and I guess it's been doing pretty good, man. I finally got that 1K followers. Actually, I gotta change that. I literally just went live, which is crazy. I went live. I'll show you guys on my phone. I went live once and it did pretty decent, man. We got like, how long did I go live for? A duration of 9 minutes. Let's see if the camera can hold it. 9 minutes, and we had a lot of people join, bro. So yeah, crazy, man. But anyways, I need to switch the flow. I need to start. I have my notebook over there, but I'm trying to dedicate every day to 2 LeetCodes a day to reach my goal by the end of the summer. So I gotta start now. Yeah, 2 LeetCodes problems a day, maybe on YouTube, maybe not, I don't know. Sometimes I like to do stuff off the YouTube, but I gotta record, so yeah. Stack, my goal by the end of June, which I don't know if you guys can see, I have till next week Monday. By next week Monday, I want to understand fully stack and queues, maybe linked list. If I can fully understand stack and queues by the end of this week, I'll be very happy with myself. I'm like 30%, 40% understanding stacks, because I understand the first in first out, FIFO or whatever it's called, FIFO. Stack is FIFO, right? No, stack is not FIFO. First in first out. Oh no, I'm so sorry. First in first out. Last in is LIFO. Holy shit. Q is FIFO. Holy shit, move. So yeah, stack is last in the place, first out of the place, right? And then Q is FIFO. Q is first in, last out. First in, last out. No, first in, first out. Hold up, what? First in. Okay, this is a really beautiful image. Can we just open image in a new tab? Holy shit. Oh, there it is. Damn. This shit you can't even see, but yeah, stack is last in first out. So last in first out. Q is first in first out. Okay, first in, first out. I don't really give a shit about Q right now. So, yeah, that was just a good image to look at. But, yeah, stack has just been difficult. But let's go to NeetCode. Stack. Shit, this question was very rough. I don't even understand. So design a stack class that supports, so there's a class that supports the push, pop, top, and get min operations. So this, that, this. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, this is gonna be a very rough one, and I don't want to solve it. So I'm gonna just search up the easiest stacks. I want to get better. I'm not that good. Easiest stack. No. Easiest LeetCode questions. Easiest legal questions revolving around stack data. Oh my god, my phone's in my way. Data structure stack. So I know they're gonna talk about the valid parentheses. We've done that, man. We've done that. Valid parentheses, we've done that. Binary tree traversal. Let's see this question. Input 1 null 2 3 1 3 2. Wait, given the rule of a binary tree, return the in order traversal of nodes value. Man, it's gonna be some bullshit. I don't even know how to do this. Yeah, there's no way I'm solving that. Let's ask ChatGPT. I am a beginner learning stack. Actually, why can't we just do this? Stack. I would like give me another one. Title baseball game LeetCode 62 simplified. You're keeping a score in a, let's see, baseball game. Here it is. This is the question. Holy moly. Okay. You're keeping the scores for a baseball game with strange rules. At the beginning of the game, you start with an empty record. You are given a list of strings, which is operations, where operations I is the an integer x. Record a new score of x plus. Okay, let me look at. Okay, wait. An integer x. Record a new score of x plus. Record a new score that the sum of the previous two scores d. Record the new score that the double of the previous score c is removing them. Return the sum of all. Okay. So 5. So operations is 5 2 c d plus. So 5. Add 5 to record. Record is now 5. Add 2 to the record. Record is now 5 2. C. Initialize. Invalidate the remove the previous score. Or remove 2. D. Add 2 times 5 equals to 10 to the record. The record is now 5 and 10. Okay. Add 5 plus 10 equals 15 to the record. 5 plus 10 is 15 to the record. But I thought 2 was removed. It doesn't remove the previous score. The record was 5. So how would you how would d times 5 is 10? Now you add the 10 into the list. Then you do add 5 plus 10 equals 15 to How is this stack first in? No, last in, last out. Last in, first out. Goddamn. LIFO. 5 to record 5. Only 2. Add 4 to record. Validate remove. So it's 5 negative 2. Add 2 times negative 2. Oh my goodness. It seems easy. I'm just trying to understand how stack is used here. Oh, that's how that 10 got work. So D double. So double 5 is this. If it was 6, you times it 2. That's double. So double. So let's go to D. So now 5 to negative 2. So add 2 times negative 2, which equals negative 4 to the record 5. And then boom, the total add. Then how many times we add in this motherfucker? Oh, we add everything here, it'll be 14. Now we add everything again. 27. This is a cool problem. I don't know how to use stack here. Okay. Use stack to store scores. On each operation, manipulate the stack at the end. Oh. But how is stack removing the last one? It should be removing the first one. Am I tripping? Okay. Don't tell me the problem, but see if it's D. If this is C, then pop. Boom. If it's D, we're doubling the last. We're doubling the last number. So we need indexes. What happens if it's DD? Okay, this is a very good problem. And I kinda like it. Cause I actually have an idea. Let's try the problem. And if I don't get it, I'll go ask GPT how does, like, where's stack used? Cause what I see here. So let's just say okay, there's steps we need to understand. So x, an integer x, record a new star of x, which 5 is x, 2 is x. So let's just say score here. Score is this. So now we need to go iterate through each we need to iterate through each one. Thing is, do we need the index? Because the reason why we need the index is what I'm thinking is that, say C, we get that, the element, we minus 1 the index, and you get the last one that happened to. See if it's D. We get the element, the last element in the motherfucker. Isn't the first element that we need to get is like, I remember learning this. If it in stack, if you do stack -1, what does this do? No, I need the last element in the sequence. Fuck that question. Okay. It's taking me 15 minutes just to understand. Okay, let's use this example. X is equal to this, and if I do print x -1, that print plus or 5? Plus. Okay, 1 would be 2, and then 0 would be 5. It's the thing is that I'm like a little confused about is like say we're at D, right? We're at D. We go into the record. I don't want this to be. Let's go into the record. We go into the record, and then we get to the element that. So okay, let's do this example because this example is like. I mean, you could do it here, but let me just do this one. So 5, we put it into the record. -2, we put it into record. 4, we put it into record. C, we need to pop the last element. So invalidate and remove the previous score. Record is now 5, -2, pop. Boom, we go to this. Now we double. We have to double -2 is what I'm guessing. We have to always double the last element, which is -2. No, sorry, -1. Oh, okay. Okay, we're cooking. I think we're cooking. Okay, let's try this out. First thing we need to do. Say is x. Say the integer. Okay, let's loop through operations first. So for I don't know. For what? Okay. For I don't want to take it that long. For I in for I in operations. For I in operations. For I in operations. Now we have 5. If we need to know if it's an integer. An int recording. Okay, if it's an integer, which it's in a string, so how would I? Because I can just easily just pen that in. Oh. If okay. Let's just say this. Let's just say. Sorry, I have OCD, bro, so bear with me. Bro, what the fuck? This is actually pissing me off. Tab, bro, what am I doing? Let's just say if it's not plus, D or C. So, not nums is equal to, let's just say it's plus what else? D. Okay, this might people might hate this, but I'll just I'll change that up so you can have the same quotation marks. This, and then last one is C. If it's not those, right? If it's not those, if I not in not underscore nums. Okay, if I in operations, if I not in nums, if I not in nums, we're gonna do record the append I. Boom. We're gonna record that. Okay, that's done. So now we're getting the integer in that list. Now let's work on. Okay, elif if I is equal to, let's say, plus. If it's plus, what we're gonna do is, if it's plus, record a new score that's sum of previous two scores. It's plus, so we need the last element next to it. Wait, damn. Plus is kind of different. You get all the nums here. A for loop and a for loop? What kind of fucking... What kind of, What kind of fucking big O is this? What I'm thinking is that if it's that, then we iterate through the record. So for num in record, at the end, do they want this? What do you want it to return? Example, if it's 1C, C is gonna remove 1, and then the sum will be 0. The total sum will be 27. So at the end, it wants the total sum. Okay, we can do that outside the for loop. That's easy. But there's some constraints. Operation I is C D plus or a string represented integer. There. For operation plus, there will always be at least 2 previous scores on the record. For operation C and D, there will always be at least 1 previous score on the record. Oh, I see what this means. Okay. If I non-nums are if I is equal to plus for num in record. So this is getting each number in the record, and now we're gonna add it all. For num in record, we're gonna do holy shit, what do we do? X is equal to 0. Then we're gonna do X plus equals num, and then at the end, dude, I'm sorry, this might be really bad, but hopefully it works. Then we're gonna append X plus equals num. Then we're gonna append X. We're gonna do record the append X after we add everything. I think it should be outside, right? Go through this for loop. And then we append. So if we add that, then we append it. That should be right. If it's inside, we're appending X each time. No, we don't want that. We want that at the end. Okay. I think that's it. So now we do another elif. We're gonna do C. Let's just do D. So elif if I is equal to D, if we do that, elif I is equal to D, record a new score that's double the previous score. Okay, now this is what I was talking about, this -1. This -1. Whoa. Okay, let's chill out there, buddy. If we do -1, it's getting the last, right? It's getting plus. So, whoa, where are we? Right here. Excuse me, sorry. If it's D, boom. Now we need to do the number at the end. So we gotta do is D. Let's just say X is equal to. What was I doing? X is equal to record -1 times 2. Then we do boom. Let's check if that works. So if I do y is equal to let me just remove these. Does it say? So y is equal to, what did we do? What did we do? We did x -1 times 2, that's doubled. Now if we print y, based off my understanding, is gonna be 4. Whoa. 22. Give me Alright guys, sorry, I just had a weird phone call. Let me try to finish this. I don't know if I can even cut that out, but we'll see. I'm sorry about that. I literally lost my mind. I don't know what just happened. This was an issue because it's getting 2 times 2. It's getting the string. So what happens if I do x? Is there a way I can do int? That's not gonna work. What am I thinking? Can I do int? Don't error. Oh, it worked. Nice. Okay, let me just copy this. And then do this, and I guess that would work. So I guess D is done. Now, if I do another, if I is equal to C, I will see invalidate the previous score, moving it from the record. What are we doing? C? So we're moving the last one? So we're moving. Pop will always do it. So if I do record the pop, boom. Now there's something that I gotta do. There's something that says if I do it from the beginning, if I do if okay, then boom. Okay, so if I do if len of record is equal to 0, if len of record is equal to 0, if len of record is equal to 0, see, this is an example that I was tripping over here. The total sum should be 0. Return I don't know. Return 0? The line of the record is, I guess, just return the line of the record, which is 0. And now we return, now we have to return the total sum of num. So at the end we're gonna do for num and record, we're gonna do final score is equal to 0. We're gonna do final underscore score plus equals num, and then right here we'll return the final score. Alright, let's run it. Oof. X is referenced before. Okay, I guess that X is referenced before, so we'll just say Y. I didn't know that would cause an issue. Local variable X referenced before assignment. What? Yeah, X right here. Local variable X referenced before assignment. Y is equal to int X times 2. That's the thing where I needed to fucking... I don't know how to... Do I need to get the... Don't tell me the answer, just my... Just don't tell me the answer, just clues on how to fix it. I gotta get up on my effort and oh. Would this have to be like that? Oh, yay. Oh, this is 0. Don't cause an error. Damn. I'm so sorry. I don't know what just happened. Anyways. Okay. Append operations. Oh. Forenum and record. For I9. Okay, that has to work. Wait, which line? Final score plus no. Oh, this might have to be in the inside here. Ah. What? Fuck, alright. No, right. Ah, shit. Shit. That is so right. That is on me. That is so true. Well. Final score is equal to 0 for num in record. For num in record, final score plus equals return the final score. You still got issues though. It's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. There's an issue with the this right here, the logic. So I'm gonna say D uses X -1, which is undefined, and also uses string. 2 times. So append. Oh me, why can't we just do it here? 2 times append that, which is I. So operations I. Record -1. Oh, sorry. Record -1. That's, see, that -1 is very like helpful. I remember that. That's very helpful. Now for the plus, we add the last one with the second one. You just add the two. No, dickhead. No, we don't add just the last two. I think that's right. I think there's an issue with this. It's adding just that. Yeah, there's a problem here. x plus equals num. I think I gotta get for num in record. For num in record. So 5 plus 3 plus 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Right, it's not getting the this Aleph is not working. For num in record, x plus equals num. So what we need to do is get all the numbers and add them. So Aleph I is equal to plus. No. If I. Yeah, if operations I for num in record. All it is doing that. It's not doing any of these. It's not doing operation. Is operation? Yeah, operation, right? Fuck. Sorry. Operation. Operations. 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 X is equal to 0. Holy moly. What did we do wrong here? We got these to work. How did it get 32? Something wrong. Something wrong. Fuck. I don't know how I got 30. It's this one, huh? This code adds all values record, not just the last two, which instead of summing the whole record, I'll just do just the last two numbers and adds them. Oh shit! Oh my god, I thought it adds everything. Fuck. That's why, kids, you gotta read the instructions. Just the last two. I'm not even gonna look at it. You gotta do what we do, record -1 plus record -2. I get it. Oh shit, sorry. Oh my god, this might work. What? Memory limit exceeded. Record append. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. That is not what we need. All we need to do is this. Oh my god, sorry. Is that good? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, we got it? We did it. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wow, I solved the Lego problem. And I get it. Holy shit. Wow. Nice, man. Is that good? Wow, man. W's in the chat, bro. W's in the comments, man. Yeah, insane. Wow. Alright, well. I guess that was today's video, man. We solved a fucking legal problem, and I really understood it. A lot of mistakes. I'm trying to get better. But yeah, I hope you guys are proud of me. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. I appreciate you guys for tuning in the videos. It really means so much to me. If you please click the link in my bio and like connect with me on LinkedIn, subscribe to YouTube, Twitch, and my TikTok. It means so much to me. So appreciate you guys. Have a really good one, and thank you for clicking on the video. Bye, guys.